Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install N8N on Ubuntu. Now before we begin, make sure that you have a running Ubuntu Linux server instance. A good option is Hessner, but any Ubuntu server works that you can log into with SSH and has a public IP address. It works. You need at least a basic SSH experience. Then all you need to do is log into your Ubuntu server via SSH and update the system to basically ensure that it has the latest security patches and updates, okay? And once you're done with that, the server is ready for installing the software. So just go ahead and keep only the necessary ports open, these ones right here. Install UFW and configure the firewall as follows. Okay, make sure you type this in, check your firewall configuration, and just remember that sometimes Docker can, ignore UFW rules. So just verify extra settings. And then we need to use Docker as the container system that will run N8N. So you just install Docker by running these commands. Okay, you just set up the dependencies and Docker's GPG key. And then you can add a Docker repository as well, right? Then install the Docker engine and Compose plugin. Then you just make sure you check the installation, okay? And if you see this message, that means that Docker is ready. Then you just need to go ahead and install caddy and then edit the caddy file configuration file. Okay, do that, enter your domain, configure the reverse proxy. Just need to make sure you replace this with your actual domain name. And if you don't have a domain yet, you can use this temporarily and just restart caddy to load the configuration. Then lastly, we're going to be running N8N with the Docker Compose. So you just first need to create a directory for N8N and you navigate to it, and then you create a Docker, compose YML, this following content, and now you can go ahead and deploy N8N by running this, compose command. Okay, just go ahead and do that, and Docker will basically pull the N8N image and runs it in the background using this port. And then all you need to do is go ahead and set everything up. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.